Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech to Tricks. In today's video, we are diving into an exciting topic: how to play high-end games smoothly without a graphic card. Yes, you heard that right. If you're looking to level up your gaming experience on a budget, this video is for you. So stick around, and if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech tips and tricks. Now, let's jump straight into it. Alright, to start with, get into your browser and open Nvidia GeForce Now website, and once you're there, you can scroll down and you would be seeing an option to download the GeForce Now on your desktop. So hit the download button, and before you start the download, make sure you check your system requirements. Right here, the minimum requirement is to have Windows 7 operating system with 4 gigs of RAM, and also make sure you have a very good internet connection, as we will be using a VPN if you're in India just like me, or if you're using this application from any other location, you should be good to go with average internet speeds as well. Alright, getting back to the download page, there is also an option to use this application through the browser, but I highly recommend you to use the desktop client because it's more smooth and it would get you a better gameplay. Let's quickly start with downloading the application, and once it's downloaded, run the application and that should open the Nvidia GeForce Now. Make sure you're connected to the VPN. You can use any kind of VPN client. I'm using Windscribe as my go-to software for the VPN solution, and make sure you select some location in US. In my case, I've selected Atlanta. Once you're done with setup, you will be greeted with terms and conditions. Simply hit agree and continue, and the next step is to log in to your Nvidia account. If you don't have one, you can always create it or use mediums like Google, Discord, Apple or Facebook to log in. With that, our next step is to set up multi-factor authentication. In my case, I'm using Microsoft Authenticator. You can also use Google Authenticator to do this. You need to simply download the app from Play Store and scan the QR code that would be displayed to you to complete this process. Post setting up the authenticator, the next step is to enter the code that would be shown in your authenticator app, and hitting the submit should log in you to the Nvidia GeForce. You can skip the hardware security device authentication, and that should redirect you back to the app. Unfortunately, a couple of times you will not have the free rig available. In my case, it says the day passes have been sold out and the free rig is not available. But after a couple of hours, I tried again. That was around 5 p.m. IST. I did get access to my free rig and I was able to log in to the GeForce Now. And now I can start any game of my choice and start playing it. Right here, I did see an network issue as my internet speed is a bit low than the expected, so that was the error that popped up, but I ignored it and I started my gameplay. There were a couple of frame drops as my internet speed was low. You guys try out with good internet speeds, and if it still doesn't work, make sure you select a VPN location which is a bit near to the Nvidia servers, and let me know how it worked out. With that, that's pretty much it I had for this video. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.